Welcome. In front of me is a KODAK K12, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and this will bring down your toggles and notifications. Now in the toggle section right here, we are looking for the Do Not Disturb mode, which is visible by default right over here for me. You can also maybe find it on other pages, and if you can find it on any of the pages, you can add it by clicking right here on this pencil and then scrolling down below this section right here, where you'll find all the toggles that are not added by default. And when you find the Do Not Disturb mode, you can just hold it. You can see it lifts up a little bit, and just go up here. There we go. You can drop it wherever above that text that was right here, and this will now be added to your list. Now once it's added and you see it here, first time around, hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings. In here you can select who can message and call you, with the options being favorite contacts, all the contacts, priority conversations, anyone and no one. Now calls have a bit similar options, but number one, you can only choose only one, unlike messages, which allows you to choose multiple options at the same time. Here you can only select one, and it has additional option for repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they'll be bypassing whatever you have selected yourself, or selected right here yourself. And if we go back, we also have alarms and other interruptions along with apps, so you can choose what apps will be able to bypass Do Not Disturb mode. And lastly, here we have schedule. So you can create whatever schedule you want, multiple, turn them on and have multiple running at the same time. And this will make it so your device turns the mode on and off at a specified day of the week and start and end time. And lastly, kind of alternative to the schedule will be the duration for quick settings. Schedule basically is an automatic way. This one was more a manual one. So here you can choose what will happen when you manually press on the toggle. I like the timed option, which is the second one, and I just like to set it a little bit longer, to like 4 hours, so it would cover whatever needs I might have for it in the future. And what this will do now is when I confirm it and I manually tap on the toggle to turn it on, it will run for 4 hours, at which point if I forget about it, the device will turn it off for me. Now there's other options, ask every time, which will bring the two first options every time you manually turn it on, and until you turn it off basically means that, which is also the default options, means that when you turn it on, it just runs indefinitely till you remember to turn it off, which for my smooth brain, that's not the greatest option considering I'll forget about it, and it's just going to run indefinitely. So the timed option is the one that I like most, so that's what I'm going to select. And once everything is set up, you can just find this toggle in here, click on it to turn it on, and with the timed option it also tells you till what time it's going to run, and we don't need to wait till that time. I can also turn it off before and stop that timer from basically, ticking. If you're doing a schedule mode, then you don't need to do anything. Just make sure that the schedule in the settings was toggled on with that little flip switch, and the device will be doing everything else for you. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.